Pakistan. A nation built on history, culture, sacrifice, and determination. In today's video, we will uncover the complete history of Pakistan. From the Indus Valley Civilization to the partition of the subcontinent, the Pakistan movement, and modern-day Pakistan. Let's embark on this journey through the past that led to the creation of Pakistan. Indus Valley Civilization, 2600 BCE, 1900 BCE. The earliest known civilization on the land that is now Pakistan was the Indus Valley Civilization. Cities like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa were among the most advanced urban centers of the ancient world. This civilization excelled in agriculture, trade, and architecture. They had planned cities, drainage systems, and early forms of writing. Aryans and ancient kingdoms. 1500 BCE, 500 BCE. Then came the Aryans, who laid the foundation of Vedic culture. Later, the region became home to several kingdoms and empires, including the Gandhara civilization, which became a hub for Buddhism. Taxila emerged as a center of learning and scholarship. Islamic conquests, 711 CE. A new chapter began in Pakistan's history when Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh in 711 CE. He defeated Raja Dahir and established the first formal Muslim rule in the subcontinent. With Islam came the message of justice, equality, and brotherhood, winning the hearts of the local people. From Delhi Sultanate to the Mughals. 1206 to 1857. In the 12th century, the Delhi Sultanate was established, followed by the great Mughal Empire. Rulers like Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, and Aurangzeb shaped the political, cultural, and architectural identity of the region. Lahore became a major center of the empire. The Shalimar Gardens, Badshahi Mosque, and Lahore Fort stand as proud legacies of that era. British rule, 1857 to 1947. After the War of Independence in 1857, the British took full control of India. Muslims, in particular, were marginalized politically, economically, and educationally. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan encouraged Muslims to pursue modern education. It was during this period that the idea of Muslims as a separate nation began to take root. Pakistan Movement, 1906 to 1947. In 1906, the All India Muslim League was founded to protect Muslim rights. In 1930, Allama Iqbal presented the idea of a separate state for Muslims. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah led the movement based on the two-nation theory. The Lahore Resolution of 1940 laid the foundation for Pakistan. Finally, after countless sacrifices, Pakistan came into existence on August 14, 1947. Early decades of Pakistan, 1947 to 1971. After independence, Pakistan faced enormous challenges: rehabilitation of refugees, building an economic structure, and developing a national identity. Liaquat Ali Khan became the first prime minister. In 1956, Pakistan adopted its first constitution. Unfortunately, in 1971, Pakistan was divided, and East Pakistan became Bangladesh. From 1971 to modern-day Pakistan, 1971 to 2025. After 1971, Pakistan embarked on a new journey. Leaders like Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, General Zia-ul-Haq, Benazir Bhutto, and Nawaz Sharif shaped the country's politics. In 1998, Pakistan became a nuclear power. The 21st century brought challenges like terrorism, political instability, and economic crises. However, The Pakistani nation always stood resilient. Projects like CPEC, youth engagement in technology, and the global achievements of Pakistanis bring hope for a brighter future. Culture, languages, and heritage. Pakistan's culture is a beautiful blend of ethnicities, languages, and regions. Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Gilgit-Baltistan. Each has a distinct identity. Urdu, Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, Balochi, and other languages contribute to the rich identity of Pakistan. Pakistan is a story of continuous evolution. History teaches us that nations are built through sacrifice and hard work. It is our duty to serve this country and guide it toward peace, progress, and prosperity. May Pakistan always live long and strong. Ameen. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Long live Pakistan. Pakistan's Zindabad.